Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by deciding the exact purpose and outcome you need. This shapes every following choice. Once done, gather core facts, names, dates, amounts, attachments, and set a tone, formal, friendly, or persuasive. Then choose length and constraints, for example 250-400 words, and prepare a short brief for the AI with key points. Make sure to note any phrases to avoid or required legal language. Start the AI with a clear prompt that includes these essentials and a sample opening line. You feed the AI a structured prompt: purpose, audience, tone, facts, length, and any mandatory phrases. Then request 2-3 variants, read them aloud, and pick strong sentences to combine. Once you have a draft, ask the AI to tighten or simplify specific paragraphs or to convert passive into active voice. Make sure the letter follows a logical structure: opening, evidence-based body, and a polite closing with a clear call to action. Repeat edits until the voice matches your intent. You finish by proofreading every factual element: names, dates, numbers, attachments, and links. Once done, verify tone and any required legal or formal phrases and run a privacy check to remove unnecessary sensitive details. If the AI generated errors or hallucinations, tell it exactly which lines are wrong and request corrections or an annotated diff. Finally, format the letter for delivery: email subject, salutation, signature block, and save a final copy. If problems persist, revert to earlier draft and reapply edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.